അതിന് അവള് ഇംഗ്ലീഷുകാരിയാണെന്ന് എങ്ങനെ അറിയാം? So this song was dedicated to ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഡെഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്? പുച്കൂനല്ലല്ലോ, ഏതോ പെണ്ണിനല്ലെന്നല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞേ? അയ്യേ, അത് ഞാൻ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, പേടിക്കണ്ട. പെണ്ണിനാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. May God bless you പറഞ്ഞില്ല. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. You. Thank you for all the subscribers.
We are not having any channel anymore in TV because there is no TV.
Yes friends, we don't have TV. Our TV suddenly blacked out. See, we can't watch and we are waiting for that was a yes.
No. And this is no.
So we are waiting for Big Billion Day to start.
Yeah, from 2 weeks we are waiting, but still.
Yeah, it will start in 2 weeks. It will start in another 1 day, right?
No, it's not like hardly 5 hours or 4
Yeah,
hours.
so we are planning to order.
5.5 hours.
Which TV we are planning to order? We'll be checking the prices based on that. See, he knows it. He knows it. I don't know. I'm seriously, I didn't know that. So we are just waiting for the Big Billion Day to
start. That's come in discounted price or not. If that's not coming in discounted price, then I'm not gonna buy that.
And the major problem is that we can't go down. Also, last week suddenly Puchku fell ill. He started coughing and he had some issues.
Yeah,
we went to hospital.
He became fine and then he went.
We went to a doctor. He gave some medicines for his worms and I don't know what he said initially, but later then he gave medicines for one thing and he started getting rashes at the back. Then he said like it looks like chicken pox. We don't know what it is because the next day onwards he was fine and he doesn't have any rashes anymore.
And chicken pox.
Yeah, so we are just grounded, like we can't go out because we don't know what it is. So we want so he's fine. So we are just hoping another 3-4 days we can go down after checking the doctor. Oh yeah, only 1 more day. We have to check with the doctor, but only then we can go down. Yes, we will be missing Sahasra's birthday party. तो आपने ब्लूपर्स में तो देखा ही होगा, हमने बोला था कि ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, हम लोग ने बिग बिलियन डे भी स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो हमने कुछ शॉपिंग्स की है इस बार एंड वी विल शो यू व्हाट एंड ऑल वी हैव गॉट इट. पूरा ऑर्डर्स आया नहीं है, जो आया है वो मैं आपके साथ अभी शेयर करूंगी, बाकी मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. हाँ, यू कैन डू दिस, यू सिट देयर. हाँ, सो पुचकू के हाथ में एक मोबाइल, हाँ एक गिफ्ट है.
गिफ्ट खरीदा है. पुचकू कैन यू शो लाइक दिस? यस.
So yes, this is what we have got.
पुचकू पढ़ के बताएगा. पुचकू, which mobile is this?
M32.
M32. That means 32.
32.
M32. और ये पुचकू ने सेलेक्ट किया है अपनी अम्मा के लिए बिकॉज उसका मम्मी का पहला फोन उसने ही तोड़ा था. उससे मैं आकर जब केरला में मैं एक दिन उसको बिना लिए ट्रिप में चला गया था भैया के साथ था ना, तो गुस्से में आके पुचकू ने
कालड़ी गए थे इसको बिना.
एंड पुचकू ने अपने काल के अड़ी में फोन डाल के एकदम तोड़ दिया.
हाँ, यू सिट देयर. हाँ,
तो अभी हम इसको अपने पार्ट वाला शॉपिंग हॉल है बिकॉज इस बार बहुत सारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स और चीजें हमने ऑर्डर की है घर की सारी,
एंड वी विल बी शेयरिंग ऑल दैट विद यू.
एंड अभी इसको हम अनबॉक्स करने जा रहे हैं, दिखाते हैं कि इसके अंदर क्या क्या होने वाला है. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
सो फाइनली यहाँ पे संजू बॉक्स ओपन करने वाले हैं.
आज तक कभी मतलब ऐसा वीडियो डाला नहीं है, यूं ही टाइम पास के लिए सोच के डाल देता है. पुचकू भी बहुत इंटरेस्टेड था इसमें. तो पहले तो मतलब दिस इज द कवर जहाँ पे आगे आपको फोन का मस्त एक फोटो है और पीछे स्पेसिफिकेशन दिया फोटो के फोन के एग्जैक्टली। तो यहाँ से पहले आपकी हम ढचाक करके यहाँ पे काटेंगे।
अब 10 सीजर में कट जाएंगे।
Oh my God.
उसको अभी जस्ट एक दिन पहले उसका हिंदी का एग्जाम था तो इसलिए अभी जोश में हिंदी बात कर रहा है वो। एग्जाम के टाइम पे कुछ नहीं बोला पर
मैं तो नहीं बोला।
हाँ तुम रो रहे थे। ये प्यासा का हुआ क्या स्टोरी सुनाओ। यही किया था कल भी उसने जब मैडम ने उनसे
देखते कि वाओ लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल मॉन्स्टर।
अब इसको मत तोड़ देना प्लीज।
वेट कुछ का वेट इट्स नॉट यू शुड नॉट टिक लाइक दैट 1 सेकंड मोना आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर आक्रांदम बट oh it's quite heavy.
Oh.
I mean not too heavy, not too light, but it's good. Actually, it should be this much heavy because it's like 6000 mAh battery and all these things, right? So it has to come with a little bit of weight. I guess it will be around 220 gram or something. हाँ, अच्छा चार्जर आया है बॉक्स में और बस टाइप सी का केबल है। 15 वॉट का अडाप्टर दिया है। फास्ट चार्ज उतना नहीं है लेकिन ओके है। सैमसंग जनरली ये देता है तो मोर फास्ट चार्जिंग चाहिए तो आपको खुद से खरीदना पड़ेगा बैटरी अडाप्टर। और इसके अलावा सिम इजेक्टर थिंग्स एंड ऑल आर देयर एंड कुछ यूजर मैनुअल बस वही और कुछ नहीं है।
Puchku, did you like the phone?
Yes, for you.
No, did you like the phone? I'm asking.
Yes, for you.
Thank you so much.
Take your charger.
Okay, keep it.
तो अभी हम फोन को खोल रहे हैं। ये ऐसा एक रैप में आया था चिपका हुआ था। ओह वेट देखो मतलब
देखो
और अगर आप देख सकते हैं इसका स्टाइल एकदम पीछे एकदम प्लास्टिक का बॉडी है एंड फिनिशिंग एकदम ग्लॉसी है कंपेयर टू F22 जो अभी लॉन्च हुआ है। एग्जैक्ट ऑलमोस्ट सेम स्पेसिफिकेशंस है बट उसमें
He wants to vlog.
the zombie nurse got.
Yeah.
If you go here, you go walking like that. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Then there's a boat. When you see someone in a place, you get the point.
Oh. So guys, this is his new Nerf gun which he ordered on Big Billion Day sale.
Walking.
Yes, for Kingo also.
And now this is a vacuum.
So guys, as I told earlier in the video, we started shopping on Big Billion Day sales. Yeah, hands up.
So already Asha would have told, right? We have ordered so many things. So this is the next thing out of that. We ordered it this from Amazon. Just now yesterday, right? Midnight it started the sale, Amazon Great Indian Festival, and I was looking for this thing from so long. So yesterday I got it for around 2,300 and all after all the offers. So this is Manano AU-A03 condenser podcast microphone kit. So I mean it's not for podcast, but I like to jam, you know, guitar jamming, singing and all. So I just wanted to try how it is, and this is coming actually for a beginner kind of person. It's actually good within the budget kind of thing. So I saw so many positive reviews. Wanted to give it a try. So this is the way it comes. You know, the Manano branding and the photo of the microphone and all. And backside the specification, everything they have given, the weight, the voltage, everything. So let's see, you know, what is there inside the box. Oh wow, this looks superb. So there is a small happy card. Thank you for shopping with us. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, there's few suggestions. You can either share your review using Amazon, tell your friends or family, or subscribe to their website. And if you need more help or assistance, this is their customer service details, mail ID, number and all. That's actually some cute thing. Then comes the user manual, how to set it up and all, and it's written in Chinese. Yeah, this is a made in China thing. English as well as in Chinese. So first few pages are in English and then the next 7 pages are in Chinese. Like it's the same thing. And this is one of my favorite things. This that voice muffling thing. So this makes sure that the breathing sound and the other sound doesn't come when you're singing or you're not talking for podcast and all. and this is the filter, pop filter. These two are given on the top, and the quality, trust me, it's very good. This sponge quality here also in this muffin thing is very good, and the pop filter also looks, you know, very strong. This is completely made of metal, and pop filter obviously that's sponge material, but the branding, it's there, the front side Mono, and this is the you know, table, I mean the tabletop thing where we have to place it in the table and use the pop filter. So these two are coming on the top. It's looking very nice. And inside we have the stand where we have to attach that. Then comes the, you know, strap. This is for placing the wire and all once it is set up. So we can attach the wire here so that it doesn't, you know, fall down or, you know, just lie down like a snake or something. Then we have the stand for the mic where we have to place the mic after attaching to the pop filter. This looks pretty good.
And people who are vlogging also can use this,
Yes,
right?
yes, you can directly, and this one AU-A031 advantage is that it is directly a plug and play. So you can see the 3.5mm jack. So if you're using laptop and all, or DSLR camera or somewhere where, you know, we are carrying a camera, you can directly connect this, put the mic, and then you can start vlogging and, you know, talking whatever you want to do. And if you're a singer,
It will help you in the noise
noise cancellation,
background.
everything, you know, increase the voice quality around. And this is the male female that converter where you can use it to connect it like this, and then use this connector to connect to your phone or tab or somewhere. So you can use it in phones, smartphones, tabs, and this one directly you can use in cameras as well, laptop or, you know, desktop, wherever you want to do that. So for gaming people, for vloggers, everybody, it's good. And this is the stand where we have to do the tabletop thing, which I showed you earlier. So here we will be placing it. And finally, the most important thing, it's covered beautifully. Oh, this is looking superb. The feel is too good. The mic is too
Actually,
good.
Sanjay had been waiting
Yes,
for this
it is.
very long time.
It looks good.
So you can start your composition
Even
now
if
back.
it's a beginner thing, but it looks so professional. It's like so nice. The metal quality, everything is so good. And yeah, one important thing is that it's a cardioid output for this particular mic. So if the meaning of cardioid is that when you keep the mic like this or something, or this like this, you won't be able to sing properly, or the voice won't come. It has to be placed like this. And this branding is the front side. So the maximum voice quality comes here in the front, and that's why you'll be keeping it like this in the table, like this or like this, whatever you want. And then the filter comes here. So this is the place from where the sound will be coming, the maximum quality will be coming. So make sure that you are keeping the mouth in front of this, not trying to speak like this how we do with the normal mics. This is not going to work like that. This is a cardioid output. So now I need to start installing, so stay tuned, later we'll see.
Guys, yes.
But that
Yeah, setup pe lang pada.
Yeah, so you can see that I've assembled everything, and this is how right now it looks.
this is my
So as I told, we have to keep it like this, front side and top from here. I've kept the pop this filter
Kali
thing.
cover.
So you have
Kali
to
cover.
record from here. I've connected right now to a application software in mobile itself, and we have the 3.5mm jack, so it's plug and play. So you can see the clarity, you know, of Puchku's recordings, how it has come. Puchku has sung on song.
Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, Papa.
So no breathing sound, no fan sound. The fan is making actually a lot of noise, but nothing is coming, and it's actually very good output. So let's get it tried.
Why don't you try one song?
I'll try it out. Yes, sound is not good for recording now. You can try on.
प्यार के काबिल मुझे दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा मिल गई मंजिल मुझे